Every remodeling
distribution here fits
project begins with
perfectly
a
within the
conversation.
budgets.
A
Yeah.
homeowner shares their ideas, priorities, and
We're
vision.
really happy with this
From that moment
direction.
on, the industry asks multiple people to recreate that same conversation again and again. Sales gathers the information, design recreates it, estimating updates the pricing, operations reviews it, purchasing reconciles it, manufacturers receive the final specifications. Each handoff takes time, and each handoff creates another opportunity for something to be misunderstood, missed, or changed. The challenge is not the people. The remodeling industry is filled with talented professionals. The challenge is that the pre-construction workflow has evolved around separate tools that were never truly built to work together, especially inside the in-home consultation. That is why we built VeraAI. The first homeowner consultation should become the foundation for the entire project, not just another meeting with information that has to be recreated at every stage. VeraAI is not another estimating tool, project management platform, or design program. It is a pre-construction planning platform built specifically for remodeling. It connects planning, visualization, estimating, product selection, documentation, and deterministic validation into one shared workflow. Our goal is not to change how successful remodeling companies work. VeraAI simply gives each stakeholder a clearer, more complete starting point. For homeowners, that means faster decisions with greater confidence. For salespeople, it means a stronger presentation and more confidence when asking for the order. For designers, it means less time rebuilding information and more time designing. For operations and purchasing, it means better organization, fewer surprises, and cleaner handoffs. For manufacturers, it means better visibility at the point of sale and more accurate product specifications. We did not redesign the remodeling workflow. We connected it. This demonstration shows how that vision comes to life with VeraAI.
This is VeraAI. It starts where remodeling sales actually begin, with the homeowner, the appointment, and the project record in one place. For this demo, we are starting a new kitchen project for Diane O'Connor. The remodeler opens the consultation and begins capturing the facts needed to make a decision. First, VeraAI captures the room structure. Wall lengths, wall heights, and active wall segments are entered directly into the system. Next, the remodeler adds fixed elements, including appliances, windows, and openings. These are not just notes. They become constraints the system must respect. Here, a peninsula is added to the layout. VeraAI keeps the room geometry visible as each decision is made, so the user can see how the space is changing. Now the remodeler enters project preferences. This includes island requirements, range type, pantry needs, trash pullout, sink size, cabinet manufacturer, cabinet style, and countertop material. These inputs give VeraAI enough information to compute a complete layout. The system is not just drawing. It is using measurements, products, and preferences to build a layout that can move forward. In seconds, VeraAI produces a measured schematic. The layout includes cabinets, appliances, countertop areas, clearances, item labels, and trim estimates. The same verified layout becomes a 3D view. The homeowner can understand the space visually, while the remodeler still has the measured plan underneath it. The remodeler can also make changes using the design assistant. In this example, the user asks VeraAI to change item 14 to two 15-inch base cabinets. VeraAI applies the change and updates the schematic. The cabinet count, layout, item numbers, and countertop calculations adjust with the new decision. The updated layout can be reviewed again in 3D. This gives the homeowner clarity, while keeping the remodeler aligned to the correct project data. Once the design is finalized, VeraAI moves into quotation. Design quantities are carried forward automatically, including cabinet counts, linear feet, and countertop square footage. The quote is pre-populated with supply and install line items. The remodeler can adjust quantities and add scope. By using the quote assistant, VeraAI will help add any additional scope items such as demoing walls, demoing and installing flooring, and adding pendant lights. The representative can then review the customer price and add discounts and promotions before generating the final quote. The final output is a formal project plan that will include a 2D schematic, a 3D visualization, bill of materials, and an accurate quote based on the scope of work and selections. This becomes the clean handoff for all stakeholders throughout the pre-construction phase and beyond.